As you can see, she got quite filthy here. Had this beach meet 2 days ago. What is going on, YouTube? Tom here. Today, well, for one, we're finally gonna clean the truck here. The tailgate, still full of sand, even got some mud coming through. So yeah, I'm trying to change it up a little bit, rather than just the usual driving vlog. Let's do sort of a vlog sort of like this. I gotta clean this truck up. But then I also wanted to kind of take the time to talk about my summertime plans a little bit. But anyway, I guess before we do that, I'm gonna sit you all down and I'm gonna get started cleaning this truck up. Alright, hopefully I got the majority of all the crap off. So I wore my free Big Storm Brewing sunglasses because it didn't matter if I got them all covered in dirt. Yeah, she'll be fine. Just a little bit extra mud. The big one is I just didn't want any of that stuff to get under it so the frame can start rusting because all that salt water on my pristine low miles Tacoma. And before anyone tries to criticize my wash bucket here, just keep in mind this truck is, one, my daily driver, two, already scratched, dinged, and all that. So to be honest, if it gets any more scratches and swirl marks, I don't really care. I mean, obviously I care enough to try to keep it like big dent free, but if it gets any more little dents, I'm not going to worry too much. Now I'm seeing all the spots I missed, but anyway, I actually need to head over to Advanced Auto Parts. I'm going to try to get stuff. And I don't know if there are any actual mechanics that follow me here, but actually I got a mechanic question regarding this truck. So I was actually driving the other day, and it actually died on me in the middle of traffic. It's an automatic, and it was as if I was driving a manual and it stalled. And no engine codes, luckily, but I'm actually confused on what it is. And sometimes it has a shuttering issue where it kind of like acts like it's going to stall out and then doesn't, and just kind of keeps doing it. So it's actually kind of annoying. If anyone actually can tell me what that really is, please let me know. It is a 2.7 2013 Tacoma. And my theory is it's the throttle body, and I'm probably gonna go pick up some throttle body cleaner to try to clean it myself. Probably gonna replace my air filter and clean the MAF sensor, but so far the leading culprit, if it's none of those, is gonna be I got a vacuum leak somewhere. So please let me know, because I really don't want to take this thing back to the dealer and then get ripped off by incompetent dealer mechanics. So if anybody has any theories on that, please let me know. There's the fun part, making sure you get the beach out of the driveway. If anybody missed the beach meet, you know, we brought some with me here so we can enjoy it. I know Dad missed it with his truck, so yeah, it's not as much fun. Got the truck mostly cleaned up here after this beach meet. Now, if you haven't seen the video about the beach meet, you know, please go ahead and check that out. And it hasn't gotten a whole lot of views, but it was definitely a lot of fun to make. And the person who puts that on, Missy, owner of the Snow White Tacoma, she actually was talking about wanting to make that a monthly meet as opposed to a yearly meet, which would actually be kind of cool because a lot of people were talking about how much they enjoyed it, and it was definitely a lot of fun for everybody. So let me know if what y'all think about that, because change it up, do some more Tacoma content, especially in the summer now that it's nice and sunny out and we can do beach stuff. Because if not, definitely I enjoyed myself. I know I hadn't been to the beach in like 2 years when we went. But also, of course, I did want to talk about kind of my summertime plans here and some goals I have. So a lot of people know I'm a full-time student. Tomorrow is the last day of the spring semester. We got one more assignment left to do that I'm kind of putting off right now as I'm making the video. But anyway, so I'm going to be taking 2 classes over the summer. I probably will end up being a bit of a busy course load, but they're 2 fairly simple classes. But the big one is I had the option this time to take them online, which is pretty awesome. In the past, I would have never done online classes, but then I've taken a few and realized, the online actually is great because it means I do it on my time, not on somebody else's time. In fact, the 2 classes, when I signed up for them, they wanted like 6:30 to 10 Monday and Thursdays. Like, one class would have been Monday and one was Thursday. Some people know that's when I go out to do the Florida street scene meets. So, like, yeah, I'm not doing that. I said, oh, hell no. I'll just go ahead and take them online for that. It's not. I have a bunch of friends taking them, so it's not like we can't study together anyway. But that was definitely a big thing. But that means, because instead of having to go back and forth all the time to class, that means I can do it at home. I can do it in my underwear. I can dedicate a little more time to activities. Have a little bit more fun. A lot of people know I did make a video a while ago talking about all the plans of things I wanted to do in 2019. So one of them, I guess I didn't mention it, but now I'm actually thinking it's going to happen. Is we're definitely going to do more Tacoma stuff with like the beach meets and stuff. If I can do that again. I know I talked about wanting to track the Mustang. That was a big one, and that's one I still definitely want to do. Just see when it runs in the quarter mile. I don't know if there's going to be any over the summer, but possibly some half-mile racing. So if I can during the summer. And then not far from here, I got confused by the name. It's in Stark, Florida. I thought that it was Starkey, Florida. Turns out there's a track which is only about 2-3 hours away. And of course, Sebring is only about 2 hours away. Road courses are kind of hard to find, so the fact that there's multiple road courses all within like 2 hours, that's actually pretty cool. So it's a good chance we could be doing something like that, actually properly tracking it. You know, do a little bit of everything if the time permits. And of course, that'd be like an all-day thing, no matter what. But that's definitely something I want to think about. Definitely, it's just something I want to do, but that's my plan. Is I want to do online classes to try to free up some time, really put some focus into this channel, because I really am getting serious about trying to grow it a lot more. That's the thing. 1,600 subscribers is. Don't get me wrong. I'm thankful for all of my subscribers, but man, we can do better than that. Like, you know, I know we can keep growing this channel. I was really had some high hopes for it right now. I was really hoping by this point we'd be at, well over $2,000, but. Definitely, I do appreciate all of the supporters I've got, and I love how you all are really helping out. But that's why I'm trying to change up the vlogs, like, not necessarily just always do the driving vlogs and always do the car news, but definitely try to, change it up. Let's do more events. Let's get back into Tacoma content, because I know there's some of you left who remember back in the day I started this channel with this Tacoma, so that's definitely a fun thing. Actually, today, when I was out washing the truck, my neighbor actually... I always think my neighbors think I'm crazy. I try not to film when they're outside, because what is this guy doing? Still talking to his camera. Actually, when the neighbor... She wants to actually start a YouTube channel of her own. She wants to start a cooking channel. So my dad was telling him, hey, go ask him for advice. Go ask Tom. He'll give you all the advice you need. So it's actually pretty cool if you ask me. We're gonna try getting into that. If I can help somebody else out with any technical questions they might have, I definitely want to do that. Anyway, we're getting pretty close to Advanced Auto Parts. I'll see you all in just a minute. Right, classic Advanced Auto Parts. There's always somebody just working on the car right there. Just always. Let's go inside, let's see if they got these filters, and let's see if they can read my engine code. Let's see if it actually is making any code. Well, I didn't have what I needed. Fortunately, the K&N ones, you're at the mercy of what they do and don't have, and then for the 1-inch universal filter, I just didn't know what they had. They get in the mercy, but air fresheners. At least I'll keep it smelling good. Anyway, I'm probably gonna head over to the car wash here in a minute and just have this truck get detailed. Because I don't know if you all can see that, but yep, truck's all full of sand, so I need to just get it washed and then get all the sand vacuumed out. But anyway, let me know in the comment section below what you think about all of this. And this vlog's been a little bit all over the place, but definitely just trying to change it up with the vlogs here. definitely want to do more content with this truck at some point, because this truck is where my channel started, and definitely want to include Tacomas more, because this channel has been kind of becoming a Mustang channel. Let's kind of bring some unique stuff in. But next week, be on the lookout, because I'm going to be going to an event called Mustang Monday over at, it's called the Biff Burger, which is a kind of a Tampa thing. They've been doing this for years, and people always keep saying, you need to come check it out, and you know what, let's actually finally do it now that I got time. So maybe be on the lookout for that, because I haven't done a night vlog in a little bit. But anyway, let me know in the comment section below what you think about this vlog once again. Guess I've said that twice. Anyway, if you like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you are stopping in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe. Classic YouTuber thing right here. You're not going to want to miss what's to come, because trying to get back into getting serious about this channel. But anyway, take care, have a good day. Look at that. All nice and clean now.